In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove access on Google Drive. This simple process ensures you have full control over who can view or edit your files and will take just a few minutes to complete. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, head over to the search bar and type in Google Drive. Look for the link that either appears first in the search results or the one that has the URL https drive.google.com drive/quota. Clicking on either will take you directly to the Google Drive interface. Now, you might find that you're already logged into your Google account, especially if you use it frequently. However, if you're prompted to log in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your drive. Once you're in, it's time to locate the specific file or folder from which you want to remove someone's access. You can do this by scrolling through your list of documents or using the search bar at the top to quickly pinpoint what you're looking for. When you've found the file or folder, give it a click to highlight it. With the item highlighted, look for the share icon at the top right of the screen or the button labeled Manage Access. Clicking either of these will bring up a panel displaying all the current people who have access to the file or folder. In this panel, navigate to the People with Access section. Here, you will see a list of everyone who currently has permissions to view or edit your document. Look for the person you wish to remove from this list. Next to each person's name, there should be a drop-down arrow that shows their current permission level, for example, Editor or Viewer. Click this arrow to reveal a menu of options for managing their access. From the menu, you'll want to select Remove Access. This option will eliminate their ability to interact with or even view the document, depending on the level of access they initially had. Finally, don't forget to click Save to confirm and apply these changes. This step is crucial as it solidifies your decision and updates the settings accordingly. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward method for removing someone's access to your Google Drive files or folders. Remember, maintaining control over who can access your documents is an important part of digital security, so never hesitate to adjust these permissions as necessary.